Hi everyone, I'm back once again with the next video, and today we are going to talk about KRA KPI linked with balance scorecard. This is the agenda for today. Today we are going to discuss how to set up the objectives of the organization, team, individual in the KRA KPI model. Usually KRA KPI model we use in the organizations who are a set organizations already in the practice from few years, and they just want to monitor the health of the system. They don't have aggressive goals. In such organizations, we use KRA KPI model. But to set up the objectives, how do we frame the right goals, objectives of the company, of the team, of the individual? For that, we have to link the KRA KPI always with the BSC, balance scorecard. So today, our whole motto is to understand how the objectives gets framed in a KRA KPI model linked with the balance scorecard. So let's go and let's start learning, and don't forget to subscribe, hit like if you will like the video, comment and let me know what are the topics you want me to record. Do visit our website www.theskilldeck.com to know about the upcoming courses. Now let's go and let's start learning the KRA KPI. Hello everyone. Now let's start learning about how do we set our objectives in a KRA KPI model. As I said, the KRA KPI model is always linked with balance scorecard to set up the objectives. Why? Because KRA KPI model we usually use in such companies who are settled organizations, already into the practice from certain years. And to measure the health of the system, they need only 4 things. Good people, process, customer and finance. They are bothered about only 4 things. And those all 4 thing answers we have it in balance scorecard. That's the reason KRA KPI objectives we set up with the balance scorecard. Now, what is balance scorecard? On your screen, you are able to see a tree. It's a fruitful tree. How it's fruitful? Because to be a successful, fruitful organization, you need 4 things. A good people, processes that will help your customer and will give the company financial results. In the balance scorecard, we set up the objectives only on these 4 pillars. The 4 pillars are people, process, customer and finance. Now on these 4 pillars, how do we set it? Before that, we should understand what comes in people, what comes in process, what comes in finance and what comes in customer. So let's see this chart. So in people, we have the knowledge and skills of the people, the organizational capacity, the tools. So we can set up the objectives related to increase the knowledge and skills, competencies, providing the right tools. And in the processes, we can set up the process objectives related to describing, redefining, improving your any process of the organization, internal or external. In customer, you can set up the objectives related to price, quality, service, availability, and brand. In finance, you can set up the objectives related to cost efficiency and revenue growth. After setting up the finance, now see an example how the company strategy map looks like, or how company BSC chart looks like. So if you see in the people, we call that as organizational capacity. The company decided that they will be improving the knowledge and skills and improving the content supply, improving the technology. In the processes, they want to improve the offering and selection, improving the IT, improving the end user experience, improving the clarity of offering, market perception in the customer, end user experience in the customer, increasing the revenue profitability and decreasing the operating cost in finance. So it was so simple, setting up the company objectives on the 4 pillar via strategy map. Right. So this strategy map is a balanced scorecard technique which we use to set up the company objectives in a KRA KPI model. Once the company objectives are set, from these company objectives, we will define our team objectives. It will be further cascaded down to the team level. How it will be cascaded down to the team level? Let's see that. So this is my strategy map sheet, and This is the company objective. Let's say now I have to make the strategy map for my own HR department. I also have to set up my departmental objective on the same 4 pillar: people, process, customer, and finance. Now, after we have 2 strategy map, one is pre-filled, that's the company's one, and second, I have to make it after seeing the company strategy map. Now, when you will analyze the company strategy map, you would be able to understand very clearly that what are the objectives as a department. You can take it from here. Now, if you see about improved knowledge and skills, you as an HR is responsible for that. So you will put your objective, same here, do competency evaluation and focus on L&D activities. Improve content supply, improve technology. So as an HR, you can do the audit, tool audit, or you can do the automation of your HR process, HR softwares, or bring something technology which can improve your own department, right? When we talk about processes, the company has decided the improve offering selection process. Yes, that's a part of the HR. So you can write improve talent acquisition process, or anything else you want to improve. Could be your automation you want to do, or you want to improve the process of exit. So that all comes in your processes. In customer, as an HR department, who is a customer to you? Your employees. So you can mention that do the employer branding, then improve the employee experiences. That all is your customer segment in your strategy map. And how HR department can help in finances? Decreasing the cost per hire, vendor cost, right? That is the objective, could be for my finance department. So like this, after looking the company strategy map, every department has to build their own strategy map, and that will be called as their departmental objective for that particular year. Before year begins, we decide our company objective, then we cascade down that to the departmental level, and then we cascade down to the individual level, right? And then we monitor that with our KPI. How do we set up the KPI? I have given in my KPI video, I have explained you a beautiful trick called as SEVI, speed, accuracy, volume, and investment. After using SEVI, you would be able to set up the KPIs for that. So the detailed video of KPI, I will be making the next video to make you understand how do we set up the KPI for each objective. If you have liked today's video, hit like, comment, and let me know what are the topics you want me to record on. Do visit our website www.theskilldeck.com. Download our application of SkillDeck from the Play Store to watch any pre-recorded courses. I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.